Hey guys, I've been inspired to make this little chart here because I'm currently in a small town in Spain, and 2 days ago there was a Christian um, day of like a holiday of a saint. So and they call it Demon Day, and it's also the day of blessing animals. This festival was so extremely pagan for who got the eyes to see, and they think it's Christian. And I thought this festival or this holiday was extremely loaded with energy, manipulating cults or cultural rituals. And got me thinking, like, because people say that Blood Over Intent is a cult, is a blood cult, or some evil cult. Especially the religious people out there are saying this. So this makes no sense to me, because what I've seen on this festival, on this Christian holiday, was really intense. And I got me thinking, like, look, your culture, I mean the zombie culture, the culture of people, I mean, only the word culture, if you analyze it, it comes from the word cult. So all of this kind of stuff that they're doing is cult, the everyday things that people do because of culture are actually cults, and they have magic powers. So currently this culture that the people are living is the culture of death, because this festival is just an example, but on this day the people were eating extremely a lot of meat. So that means really a tremendous amount of animal sacrificing was going on. And animal sacrificing is the sacrificing of innocent blood, which is the main part of influencing the reality. It's magic. It's really dark magic. If you do it these people are shedding blood from others. They're killing. It's a killing cult. It's dark magic. And people are doing this, but they have no clue what they're doing, because they're even thinking it's Christian, and they have no clue where their religion is coming from. They have no clue about reality, and they have no clue that this kind of stuff that they're doing, like this holiday, is affecting their reality. That they are with this kind of stuff, they're just amplifying the current energy, because these people, they have a filthy soul. They did no atonement for their soul. They have selfish intents normally, like getting more money. This doesn't have to be like extreme, like somebody who really just wants money, but people, they have to survive and get money, get their business running or whatever, and then that's selfish in the end of the day. So, or they want to become more beautiful or have fun, and selfish stuff for themselves. It's really rare somebody wishes stuff for everybody. So when they have this at their heart, that is their intent, and they're doing this kind of meat eating festivals, or even everyday meat eating, they are putting this vibration into the ether, and the stuff manifests. It's really destructive, with when people do this kind of animal innocent bloodshedding with the mindset or the heart set that they currently have. The destruction is just amplifying. That's what we see in the world today. More and more destruction. So it's called culture of death, and ultimately a cult of death that they're living. So and for example, vegans, even if they did not do blood over intent, but they have a lighter energy because they're not amplifying their intent. They don't do that with the shedding the innocent blood. That's why that's why they have lighter vibration, They think about others, they care about others, and they don't do these blood sacrifices. So and those people are the first to scream that blood over intent is evil and it's a cult. And I just wanted to say, like, the basic knowledge they are, the knowledge that these things are based on, these sacrificings, is pagan, or is, it's ancient knowledge, but this is not evil. It is just powerful, and it depends on how you use it. So it's just ancient knowledge on how to affect our reality and what our reality actually is, what our cosmos actually is, our universe. So the people, like, they're doing these blood sacrifices without even realizing it. They don't know what they're doing. So the clue is that what you're putting into the ether, what energy you're putting into reality, that will manifest, it will matter, it will materialize, and ultimately build up our reality. But people are so dumbed down that they don't understand this. They don't know what they're doing. So and that's the trick, That's why we are in this situation. Because if people knew what's going on, maybe many would change, But since they don't even believe in energy manifesting in material and making up our reality, they just keep on doing what they're doing without a clue. And they're doing magic every day. Magic is the influencing of magnetism. Magnetism it's the same word like magic, the same word stem. So magic is influencing our electromagnetic reality. Everything is magnetism, and the ancients knew these, as they have different names: ether, real, key. Now let's talk about blood over intent. Blood over intent is the contrary to this culture of death, because it is proof of life. You use your own innocent blood, and the blood is innocent because we have selfless intent, and selfless is good. It's in the end, it's good blood magic. So, and if you have the intent in your heart to bring forth heaven on earth for the benefit of all, you have it in your blood, and then that's why you have a pure, innocent heart and blood, and you shed it. But just a few drops is enough. You don't have to hurt even yourself. You don't have to kill nobody, like you don't have to kill like they kill animals. Nobody gets hurt. It's just a few drops. You can even do it when you get injured by accident and use this blood. So when you do proof of life and blood over intent, you are also getting the eyes to see what's going on. So you search for truth, you stand in truth, you have a pure heart, and you do an atonement for your filthy soul. So what this will what this will bring is actually, Satan, who was leading us to this, he will bring forth with us the 144,000 who do this eternal life, and this earth will be restored into the paradise it once was. It will bring forth a golden age, and it will be like the opposite, like what's going on now. Now is the destruction and culture of death, and what we're doing is actually life, and like promoting life and helping, and it's pro-life, so you can call it the cult of life, maybe, if you want to call it a cult. Maybe we could put this, if you people really want to call it a cult, at least call it the cult of life, the cult of life, maybe, I don't know. That's just what I got to say for now. And take care. We're bringing forth heaven on earth soon, and thank you to my blood brothers and sisters. I worship you, thanking you for being selfless.